Hello, my name is Lance. I am a service technician here at Schomp Mini. And today we're going to be going over a drive belt replacement service. Alright, so first off, what we're going to do is raise the vehicle up off the ground, about halfway up the rack. Then we're going to take off our right front tire. We're going to unscrew some of the safety bolts and the clearance bulb cap cover, followed by taking off the drive belt guard from the bottom that covers the drive belt from getting wet or anything else during storms, followed by taking the wheel liner, pushing it back a little bit so we get more access of where the drive belt is. Our next step is to grab our timing belt tensioner release tool. This tool will allow us to put the drive belt and tensioner into service mode. With this tool, we'll push the tensioner up, put it in our locking position with the little pin, followed by taking our water pump safety release clip, pulling it out, putting that into safety mode as well. Once we get to this stage, then we will remove the drive belt from around the pulleys. Then we will install the new belt in the reverse way that we did it, making sure that the belt is around the AC compressor, the alternator, and the crank pulley. Once we got that around each of the pulleys, we will then take the water pump tensioner out of service mode, same with the drive belt tensioner. Next, we'll then put your wheel liner, drive belt guard, and wheel back into place and lower the vehicle, and that will conclude your drive belt replacement service. Again, this is Lance. Thank you for servicing your vehicle with us, and we hope to see you soon.